Yeah.
Okay. Mickey is gay. Wait. Wait. Mickey is gay. It's not okay. It's not okay. It's not okay. Oh yeah. I go away. He's really gay. It's not okay. I run away. He is so gay because they say, because they say, because they say, oh yeah. It's really fun to run away, to run away, to run away from gay. He have two fathers and no mother. It's so gay, it is so gay, it is so gay. He have no balls, but why he must? If he is gay, if he is gay, if he is gay. He have no money and no style, but he have say it is okay, it is okay. He really stink, he really stink, he really stink like gay.
Hey, what's like?
He is big fan of Justin Bieber. It's all make I guess say it's cool. One of his father sell a sausage and another drive a bus. He fuck a dogs, he fuck a cats, he fuck a boys, but he don't fuck girls. Hey, 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 he's gay, 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 oh yeah. Me I have say, gay porn okay, but I have say, it's not okay. Olaf is me, his boyfriend, and he have say, it's normal and okay. Me and Chris with Hans and Clemens, Olaf run away from gay. Okay. K1, Bushido Flair. Kollego is shit because I say.